So let's get started. The first selection of the 2016 National Hockey League Draft belongs to the Toronto Maple Leafs.
Toronto proud to announce from Zurich, Men's League Switzerland, from U.S. program, Auston Matthews.
Well, yeah, it was a dream come true. Like you said, they've done so much for me, a lot of sacrifices, for me to get to this point. So, they've been a huge part in this. So it was a very special moment.
He's an elite player with elite drivetrain, big body guy, makes players better. I mean, we're going to have to look after him as a kid, but that's our job. But he's going to make us better, and he'll develop into a top center in the National Hockey League.
It felt unbelievable putting on the jersey. Such a storied franchise. So, it was a big honor.